What's up YouTube, Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we're going to be opening up some new 2022 Hot Wheels. This is a brand new model. I got both colors for 2022. It's called the Turbine Sublime. From the X-Raycer series, the inside glows actually, and I've actually tried it out. And Turbine Sublime, brand new model. Looks like a fantasy X-Racers car. 189 of 250 on the year. I got this at a Market Basket. This is a New England supermarket, and this one I got as a gift. My birthday was a couple weeks ago. And a Q case release on this one. This is the newer color of it, in orange. Newer color. This one came out around K case, I think. Well, this is the newer one, and this one is on a United States card, so I can read about it. The Turbine Sublime was born in 2021, El Segundo, California. The designer's Hot Wheels look straight into the future of driving with this sleek, stylish racer. 2 engines, multiple intakes, and a see-through body will have you looking cool driving in the past, present, or future. X-Racers are vehicles with clear bodies and wheels, plus they're super fast on track. That series, it's number 3 of 5 in that series. So this is the first color, and it looks like blue, and yeah, let's get this open and take a nice look at it. And that came out easy. Just gonna take a quick look at it before we go into depth. So this has a metallic blue plastic base, or metal base rather. And look at that. Pretty decent looking model, not the best. Looks like we have a special feature. It's that moving bumper. Did I show you that yet? Yep, it does have that special feature with the moving bumper. Can't seem to get it back down, but that's alright. First color, and then orange is the second color. This is the newest Hot Wheels I've ever opened. Q Case 2022. And this one looks pretty cool as well. Now, they're fantasy cars, so they're not all that collectible. They still look pretty good, though. And they're glow cars too, so that makes them a little bit more collectible, but a lot of people don't know that these are glow cars and they don't collect them anyways. First one has metallic blue metal base, that moving bumper. I'm not gonna force it. Then we got the Trapezoid 5-spoke wheels. Not my favorite wheel type, but looks good on fantasy cars. We got blue wheels on that, and then chrome blue rims. Turbine Sublime right there. Some striping on the top, those are blue and like pearl blue. Has an X there, a 3 on it, X for X-Racers, I believe. There's the back, spoiler on the back. Huge like hole in there, like intake or something, I'm not sure. And then there's the front. Nice, nice, nice. And then the second color, we've got orange see-through wheels on this one. This time a orange metal base, yellow rims on this, same wheels. You got that moving bumper again. This one moves a lot smoother. And then Turbine Sublime, the glow-in-the-dark interior. Number 3, orange stripes, different shades of orange on those stripes. Pretty nice model. And there is a nice look at it right there. Pretty cool. Don't know how well this casting's gonna do or how long it's gonna last, but to be honest, it's not one of the best. It's not one of the best looking cars, but interesting models. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.